Yes, a new truck.
Oh yeah.
It's about time.
The Rangers are good, but once they start going, they start going.
It's been going for a little longer than I'd like.
Well, you got
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks. She just said good luck on your shed hunting, I think. Shed hunting or truck hunting? 21st. It is almost 1 o'clock. It's 12:40 right now. We are heading north to my hometown, buying a new truck. Didn't think it was going to happen in the middle of winter. I thought I was just going to run this all winter, beat it into the ground, and see if it lasted until shed season, and then try and pick up one before they really hit the antlers hard. But we found a deal on a Toyota Tacoma that I actually know the guy who's selling it. Great guy, great family, friends with his kids, and I think that it does have high miles. It's got 193,000 miles on it, but it does have a new frame under it. So I'm gonna gamble on it. Very exciting, but the Ranger is not totally going away yet. We haven't decided if we're gonna sell it or not, or if my dad's just gonna drive it into the ground. But it has taken us a lot of different places, many miles, deer, parts of moose with Dawson, fishing adventures, skiing, shed hunting, everything you can imagine we've done in this vehicle. And this was my first truck, so it's bittersweet, but I'm very excited to get a new rig and see where we can take that one and see if we can get it stuck a little bit more than this one. I was a little wary on this one, but this next one we'll have a winch on it and have the means to get out of the woods when we get stuck. So hopefully get into some places we're looking to and that we didn't get into last spring. But here's a little montage of some footage from the Ranger over the last bunch of years. We got this beaver today. I can barely hold the thing up. He's a real big one.
Hold him up.
Real nice tail on him. That's one of the biggest beavers I've seen with no gouges in them. Wicked big feet. So that pelt's pretty prime, but it's not as prime as they come, so that's a big beaver. Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's coming home.
Yeah.
Look at that. An interior light that works.
It's SPC upper control arms, and it's SPC adjustable. I put the one on the top. These two hella lights burnt out, they didn't work, so I put the light on. He didn't want me to sell it.
Yeah.
This talks about the frame recall. As soon as I bought it, it came to me on the